In this activity, we will learn the concept of resistance in series and resistance in parallel. So usually the resistance in series add up, like if it's R1, if it's R2, and if it's R3, the total resistance would be R1 plus R2 plus R3. And if the resistance are connected in parallel, the resistance is divided. So total resistance would be this way, 2 plus R3. So this would be a equivalent resistance. So here we need the following resources. First, this is a 10K resistance, and this is a 2K resistance, and this is a 100K resistance. These all are 100K resistances. So we will see the effect of resistances in a circuit, how the current gets limited with the help of a resistance, because if the resistance is more, the current is less. If the resistance is less, the current is more, and the LED will glow. If the resistance is less, glow more, and LED will glow less if the resistance is more. So let's make first the circuit to see the difference. So the long leg is always the positive one. You always remember. There is no orientation in the resistance. So this is a 2K resistance. All right, just put it here as okay. So now this is our load, which is called the LED, and this is connected in series with the 2K resistance, and see the difference of the intensity. So I am not putting in a proper way because the red is positive, so it should go to the positive side, and the black is negative, so it goes in the negative side. So LED has shown some brightness. Let me turn off this light so that we have some more focus light. All right, so now put the 100K resistance, 100K, and remove this. Let's see the difference. As you know, if you have seen my previous lecture, in the breadboard, the horizontal lines are not connected. It is connected vertically. This strip is connected vertically, and this way horizontally it's connected. So let's see whether is there any change in the intensity. So intensity has reduced, see, as compared to the 2K resistance. All right, so there's a difference. So let's see, we can, this is a series, this is a 100K resistance. Let's add some more resistance, put this LED here, so have more room. So this is one resistance in series, 100K. 100K stands for 100,000, K is 1000, and add one more resistance in series. So now the circuit is like two resistance, R is equal to R1 plus R2. So the resistance is more, so the LED should glow less. Let's see. So the LED is not so intense. So if you increase the resistances, the LED will dim because the current is less. Now Let's put this in the parallel, because in the parallel the resistance gets half as per this formula. Let's put it here and just put here, just touch this and put here. So there is a little brightness in the LEDs. So this way you can increase more resistance in the parallel and can reduce the resistances. So you will see the difference, that there is a intensity is increasing. So this is a very good simple STEM activity for the students. No school is following these kind of activities, as the students understand the concept of series and parallel in the resistances in grade 10, but still no school is implementing this in a practical way. Thank you.